Welcome dear students to maths class. Let's continue with the chapter number 4, that is measurement of length. Let us revise what we have learned in the last class. Centimeter, meter and kilometer are the units for measuring length. These units are used depending upon the length of object. Centimeter is used for smaller lengths, then meter, and kilometer is the longest unit to measure longest things or longer things. Based on this, we have to solve an exercise meter or centimeter given on page number 56 of your book. Which of these will be in centimeters and which will be in meters? Width of a computer screen, length of a pagdi worn by Sikh, height of a 1-year-old child, length of a banana, waist of an elephant. First one, width of a computer screen. It will be measured in centimeters. Length of a pagdi worn by Sikh will be measured in meters. Height of a 1-year-old child. This question is not appropriate. Its answer is in feet. Neither a child is in height of a 1-year-old child is centimeters nor meters except heighted children. Length of a banana, it will be measured in centimeters. Waist of an elephant will be measured in meters. Rest of the question try to solve on your own. Now next exercise, trip to Agra. Mari and Baichung are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Kent railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Now, map of Agra is shown. See the location of places and the distances. Now, look at the distances between these places. For kilometers, we write km. Km we write in short. Agra Kent railway station to Taj Mahal is 5 kilometers. See this yellow colored place is Agra Kent and this white color building is Taj Mahal and the distance is 5 kilometers. Now Taj Mahal to Agra Fort. It is from Taj Mahal to Agra Fort. This red colored Agra Fort, it is 2 kilometers. Now from Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri, it is 40 kilometers. Now you have to see the distances and then you have to answer questions based on this. Now find from the map which is farther from Agra Kent railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri's. This zigzag line shows railway line. Which of these is nearer to the railway line? Babarpur forest or Taj forest, Agra fort or Taj Mahal? Which is closer to the Yamuna, Taj Mahal or the railway station? So which is farther from Agra Kent, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri? It is Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is farther from Agra Kent railway station. Now Babarpur forest or Taj forest, which is nearer? Babarpur forest is nearer. Agra fort or Taj Mahal, which is nearer? Agra fort is nearer. Which is closer to the Yamuna? Closer means near. Taj Mahal or railway station? So the answer is Taj Mahal is closer to railway station. Next exercise, match the correct length. Here in the one column some pictures are drawn and you have to write the height of or the length of those given on the next column. The length of an earthworm, it will be about 10 centimeters. Height of a child, it is about 1 meter. Width of a fingernail, it is about 1 centimeter. Length of a sari, 5 meters. Distance from home to school, about 2 kilometers. Keep doing it. We'll continue in the next class. Till then, bye.